Hello guys, this is part 2 of our ZZ plant water propagation. And we will find out which is faster to grow, the stems or the leaves. Right after this. And we're back. We have shown you the progress of stems and leaves at 3 and 5 weeks. Now we will show you their progress on the 7th and 12th week. Stems look promising to grow pups first because they are thicker and looks more stable. But opposite to our expectations, the leaves grow roots faster. Here in the 7th week, the difference is getting bigger. Leaves have plenty of roots now, while the stems are just starting to grow tiny roots. Let's see the 12th week. This is very interesting. Which one grows faster? The answer here is obvious. All of these leaves have grown pups with massive root system, while these stems are still trying to grow roots. Let's compare it side by side so you can see the difference. As a conclusion, the faster grower are the leaves. By this time, we can start potting. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!
Mm-hmm.